Hey guys, I'm Will, this is Big Review TV and we're at Callett's Charcoal Chicken in Roadville. They don't only do the best charcoal chicken in town, but they also offer a whole range of gourmet foods and salads and souvlaki's. This is one of their dinner packs. There's a variety of those as well. They cater for all your functions. Man, this chicken smells so good. All the food is A grade, locally sourced. The chickens are from the farm down the road, the chips are from Tassie. There's even a chef whipping it all up. So you really should get on down here to Callett's Charcoal Chicken and download the Big Review TV app so you can review it for yourselves, let us know what you think. And until next time.